Okay, cellos, here's Gaelic Castle by Sunhi Newbold. A couple of things about practicing it. When I am playing the double stops here on the open strings, I'm really thinking about a nice clean bow change. I don't make an accent intentionally, but the kind of wrist action, hand action that I'm making is like an accent. I'm thinking about an accent in order to do it correctly, even if I'm not actually making an accent come out through the cello. Same thing when it gets to the half notes. Half notes. I want to make sure that I practice getting back to the arco on time. Now how do I practice this big double string crossing? Set, 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 wiggle, set, wiggle, set, wiggle, like that, all right? And that is all the techniques that we use here in this piece, or at least most of them, right? So I'm gonna play it through from the beginning here. Here we go. Rest, 2, 3, 4. And it's done. So the piece does have divisi, all right? So remember, if you're playing the top note or the bottom note, I was playing both notes when possible, since everyone playing bottom and top note there during the divisi sections will be watching this video, all right? Hope that helps. Thanks.